Welcome to the Camp Ripley in the UAS facility. I'd like to thank you all for making the trip out to Camp Ripley today to join us in this exciting endeavor.
ET. Yeah, so.
We're forward looking and the one on the side. So if you find a target that you like, you can circle around it and keep your eyes on it.
Just like you said.
So yeah, he can capture digital images and it'll save it to the hard drive.
Basically,
reading the radio, you told the word in the sky.
well, primarily the operators will train.
Crew chief, verify air vehicle ignition and battery switches are in the off position.
Air vehicle ignition and battery switches are off.
There's no reason why. And then also, if you look at the boxes and stuff like that, we're looking for stuff like that. That could possibly house that, while a lot of times we have assemblies and we're looking for, people assembling. Why do people assemble? Is it for batteries and a good reason? We're looking for that type of stuff.
What are they doing?
It looks like they're throwing something, and then you go like, oh, well, there was an explosion here. Why? When?
Who they're ready for the watch.